Hello there. It's so nice to meet you. You can already tell that I'm a bit different compared to the people out there. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't like coming off as rude, but I can't be talking to you. Otherwise, my owners would get mad that I'm talking to a stray kitty. Well, me? I'm Pinocchio. I know, I hate that name too. I want it to be something else. I'm a nobody. And then I look back at it. Have I ever achieved anything? You should go before you're spotted. You wouldn't get me in there. It's dangerous. No, not the bath. Anything but the bath. Water. Anything but water. I would not even go near there. Look, it looks like I got little black socks on my feet. I've been craving something lately. Probably just my mind. The vet? Oh, no. Did I just hear that right? Not the vet. Okay, I can see that you don't want to be bothered right now, so I'll be on my way. I can't go far. I believe this is the best way we can only say our farewells. Ooh, I want a mouse toy. I want it. The laser. I must get the laser. Oh, so close. Meh.